Alright, so tonight I'm going to do another Dutch pour. I'm using Amsterdam's olive green light and olive green deep with metallic leaf green by Artist Loft. This is going to be one of my commission pieces, but it is for the wife, so I guess I'm stuck with it. But anyway, hopefully she likes it. If not, I'm sure she'll let me know that she doesn't. But I'm going to go ahead and blow this out, and I'll be back in a second. Alright, so I'm back. Well, I do enjoy the outcome of this. However, I'll probably do more of a squiggly line for the next one that I have to do for the wife. At least that's what I'm being told. That way it doesn't have that much negative space and or doesn't look like a straight line. But she does enjoy this one. I've just been instructed on the next one that I have to do for her on what to do and what not to do. But anyway, here is a close-up of it. You can't really see the metallic part of it in it due to the lighting, but I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel if you would. I hope y'all have a good night. Thanks for watching. Later.